Hey guys, do you know there's a wonderful strategy to make money online using books no one talks about? So now let me show you. And first of all, just head over to this website, that is samuelthomasdavis.com. This genius person makes a lot of money using book summaries but in a creative method. So for sure you can find different sections here, and just we can head over to this book summaries. This person just summarizes a lot of books as you see in alphabetical order, and for sure it's a not normal book summary as you can see in different websites out there, but here Samuel just extract the best and the perfect notes or even quotes for every single book. And for sure many people are looking for the whole juice of every single book they are coming across. They just wanna the perfect lessons or the stunning quotes from this book's writer, and that's what Samuel does in his website. So for example, here if you can find here this amazing list, you can find many of these books, or in other words book summaries. So I just take an example like I can go for this one. For example, the ego is the enemy. So click for this one, and here you can find this amazing creative way to summarize your book, just showing the perfect notes of this book summary. As you see here, the 5 big ideas, perfect notes, and so on and so forth. Not only in a just a normal and genuine book summary that you can find in many of these sources out there, but here just list some notes people are just knowing to implement and apply them directly in their lifestyle or their daily life. And for sure there's a question comes up: how Samuel makes a lot of money using these simple book summaries? Here there are two different options. The first one here, you can use this affiliate marketing of promoting the different versions of this book he summarized. So as in our case here, the ego is the enemy. Here you can find two different options: audiobooks or hardcover. So here just he get commissions for every single sale for anyone who wanna enjoy listening in audiobook or reading this the whole version or the hardcover. And that is affiliate marketing by joining Amazon Associate Program and just go through different steps to be a partner or an affiliate in Amazon.com, where you can promote any product you like and get commissions. And second way to make money online using this amazing strategy, the book notes or book summaries. In other words, here Samuel does what's so called paid newsletter. What does it mean by paid newsletter? He just sends regular emails to his audience with great and valuable insights just for a fee. So for sure he just use this email marketing or this paid newsletter to promote different products and different related products, whether they are digital or affiliate products. And for sure people are joining and subscribe to his newsletter to get more and more of this content and great notes of different books. So here you just make this paid newsletter as you see. And for sure there are many websites that are implementing this strategy regarding book summaries, like this one, bookbrowse.com. Here you can find in this amazing website different book summaries in different categories, but the main and the actual source of income just by joining its newsletter as you see. Or this one that says 4minutesbooks.com. Here you can actually join its newsletter, where you can find many of these sponsorships, different affiliate products and so on. And for sure you can just sign up in this newsletter just for a fee. So now how we can actually walk on the same track of Samuel to make money online using book summaries and extract the beautiful and the best notes from any book you like. Here you've got to use these amazing websites. The first one is so-called sobrief.com. Here you can find 10,000 of these book summaries for every single niche as you observe. So here you can find these book summaries completely for free. For sure you can find here in the first glance is the homepage of plenty of these books, or you can look for any book you want from this box, or you can try this amazing beautiful website that is summarist.ai. Here you can get beautiful summary using the artificial intelligence. Here you can find many of these books at the homepage or from these categories, or simply you can look for what you want here from this box. For example, I just look for a summary for the ego is my enemy, for example, so I can enter here this title, ego is the enemy, Okay, and summarize. Just in a matter of seconds, here you can get this beautiful summary of my book. Now the second step, here you can copy the whole summary of this book and go to ChatGPT, where we can ask it to get 20 or 30 amazing quotes and notes from this book summary. So just answer this prompt like give me 20 amazing notes and quotes of this book summary. Okay, and Control V or paste the entire book summary, and just in a few seconds here you can find ChatGPT would craft beautiful and stunning notes that extracted directly from your book. Like ego makes success fragile, stay a student, always learning never stops, no matter how much you achieve, and so on and so forth. Perfect and beautiful direct lessons from this amazing book. So anyone can read these notes and think of it a while, then he would apply it in his life. Like detach from your accomplishments, failure is a teacher, not an identity, and so on and so forth. And the beautiful powerful quotes from this book's writer. Perfect way to grasp the whole lesson of this book, not just a basic and normal book summary. So you can take it as applicable points for anyone. Now we can move on to the how we can monetize this book notes. Just you can copy this entire one and go to the first one to make my line, just by publish this one as an article on medium.com. Here you can go directly to medium.com, where you can sign up for free and create your account regarding the education or book lovers and so on, and publish your book summaries, or in other words your book notes for every single book. And now you can promote its versions either in the audiobook or the hard copy. Okay, so that you can utilize affiliate marketing to make money online using this amazing creative way. And the second method regarding how you can make this paid newsletter to make money online, and for sure it's a professional one, here you can find two beautiful websites to depend on. The first one, that is Ko-fi.com. For sure here you can sell your digital products, your physical products as you want, or you can get your donations, and for sure you can make a brilliant option that says membership. For sure it's similar to this paid newsletter. For sure I just talked about this amazing feature in detail in a previous video. You can find this video down below in the description box in the first comment in a mind-blowing strategy to make money online from Instagram. So you gotta watch this amazing video how you can utilize this wonderful feature, membership, or this newsletter on Ko-fi.com. You can use this beautiful website, that is kit.com. Create a paid newsletter and increase your income to monetize your insights and your book notes for your audience. And for sure you can ask for your audience on medium.com to join your paid newsletter to make money online, and you can take it as a passive income. So you can implement this strategy like Samuel and some other people who are looking for another way and a creative way to use book summaries to make money online, not just a usual way to make money online. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.